case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1977, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of United States v. Lovasco, which centered around the question of whether prosecutors are required to charge someone immediately once they have enough evidence, or if conducting a thorough investigation with some delay is allowed. The court determined that delays in prosecution must not be unfair or violate the principles of fairness and decency held by the community. The defendant in this case had been indicted for possessing stolen firearms and dealing in firearms without a license, with the alleged offenses taking place 18 months prior to the indictment being filed. The defendant argued that the delay in prosecution had a negative impact on his defense and was unnecessary. Though the district court agreed with the defendant, the Supreme Court reversed this decision, finding that the government's interest in keeping the investigation open was a legitimate reason for the delay. The Supreme Court's ruling was based on the length of the delay, the reasons behind it, and whether the defendant was prejudiced by the delay. The court held that the lower courts were wrong to dismiss the indictment, and that requiring the defendant to stand trial was not unfair. The Due Process Clause does not mandate immediate prosecution based on probable cause, and it is within the prosecutor's discretion to determine pre-accusation delay as long as it adheres to due process principles. The role of the lower courts is to apply these principles to individual cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.